Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm guessing you can tell by the opener on what today's video is about. I wanted to take a brief moment and just give you an update on the difference between the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0 LED light bulbs that I had in the fog lights versus the Baja Design Squadron SAE lights that I installed. This is a non-sponsored video of Baja Design fog lights, and I bought the SAE lights over the Sport and the Pro because I wanted to be able to use them on the street and also get the benefits of having the amber light. So the differences in the trim levels of the Squadron Pros, if you would, is that the Pros are the brightest, around 4,300 lumens. The Sports are around 3,300 lumens, and the SAE are around 2,500 lumens. But they have a diffused lens that allow you to use them on the street. They give you a cutoff so you won't be blinding the drivers. And having them for the last month or so and driving in the evening, I can tell that they work, they're effective, I can see good in the fog. And at the same time, other drivers have not been flashing their lights at me, and I'm knowing that I'm not blinding them, where with the Morimotos I was, because I would get their lights flashed at me quite often just using that factory assembly with a really bright LED bulb. So let's jump in and see what the differences are looking like on my side yard of the house. Okay, so this is no headlights. This is the daytime running lights. That's the marker lights. That's the low beams with the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0s. That is with the fog lights with the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0 LEDs in it. And then that is the Toyota high beams with the low beams and no fog lights. This is how the car looks with the LED fog lights and the LED headlights on low beam. Okay, so we're back. This is just the DRLs. I'm going to turn on the LED low beams first, and then I'm going to turn on the new Baja Design SAE fog lights in amber. So here we go. Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0s, then Baja Design SAE fog lights. Here's the new Baja Design SAE amber fog lights installed. So let me know in the comments below whether or not you like Baja Design or another brand of LED lights, and if you prefer an amber or a clear fog light. Thanks for watching. Wait for this plane to go by. Doesn't matter when I start filming, there's always a plane.